Joining us now is former Walmart U.S. CEO Bill Simon. Bill, it's great to have you back on. Before I start getting into what you're watching for 2025, I do want to get your thoughts on what we have seen this holiday season so far from the early data we've gotten, especially since between Thanksgiving and Christmas, we had 5 fewer days.
Yeah, hey, Morgan, good to be with you. By all indications, it's been a pretty good holiday selling season. The credit card data is up significantly, and anecdotally, store checks show that sell-through on seasonal merchandise is as good as it's been in 3 or 4 years. And both of those would bode well for a good sales report for the holidays. Traffic at the malls and discounters and department stores, particularly even in department stores, hadn't seen robust traffic in a while. All look to be up as well. So I'm encouraged by the holiday sales.
Do you think that continues into 2025? I mean, we saw a jump in U.S. credit card defaults to the highest level since 2010, and now there is tariff talk.
The consumer is nothing but resilient, and they sort of figure out how to move forward given whatever's happening in the economic world that they live in. I think one of the things that I'm looking for in the coming year is food prices. If food prices stay stable, I don't think they're going to go down much, but if they don't go up much, I think there'll be more disposable income for consumers for some of the other segments. So I think that's a positive. As far as tariffs go, this is really just round one of the tariff discussion. Somebody fires a shot across the bow, somebody fires back, they negotiate, they may or may not end up with a tariff. And ultimately, in the end, the consumer decides if they're going to pay the added premium for the product that has a tariff on it, or are they going to change their purchase pattern and buy something else.
But Bill, on consumer behavior, shopper behavior, last week I was out in Orange County, California. Irvine Spectrum Mall was packed. I mean, just really packed. What has changed since before the pandemic, if anything, or are we just back to in-person shopping, at least for the nicest malls, being a big thing?
No, I do a series of store checks, both pre-Christmas and post-Christmas, just to gauge. And I wasn't in Orange County. I was in, urban, suburban, and even some rural markets. And I saw very robust traffic everywhere that I went. My view is honestly that after a really, really difficult and chaotic election season, whichever side you're on, it's finally over. And I think people are breathing and shopping and sort of back to living. Both sides said democracy was going to end. Well, it hasn't, and we're moving forward, and they're moving forward. How long it lasts, I think, your guess is as good as mine.
What about the mix between goods and services?
I think that there was a real push on services, pandemic, post-pandemic for several years. And that pendulum is starting to swing back. I think people are realizing that eventually you do have to buy some apparel and things like that, those hard goods, soft goods that were on pause for so long. We're starting to see movement in those categories now as well.
Finally, how closely are you watching the rising risk of a port strike come January 15th?
Yeah, we get to the precipice here with port strikes. Periodically, we had one not too long ago and walked back from the abyss. Look, if there's a prolonged port strike and it will disrupt the supply chain and cause havoc. If it's a day or a week or even a couple of weeks, the supply chain has the ability to absorb that. I'm a believer that they rattle sabers and then settle. And I think that's what's going to happen.